Jai Hind and very warm welcome to all of you to my channel, The Book Mystery. Today I am with the book Kitne Ghazi Aaye, Kitne Ghazi Gaye by Lieutenant General KJS Dhillon. He is also known as Tiny Dhillon. I have grabbed this book from an online website. I will tell you later at just 350, and when you will see at the quality, the premium quality of this book, you can't believe that this book is available on any website in just 350. Like see the book binding. When you will remove this, just look at this, written in silver. Got it? So this is about the premium quality of the book, and I will recommend this book to every defense aspirant who are preparing for CDS, NDA, CAT and CAPF. And the speciality of this book is that this book is signed by our legend, our role model Tiny Dhillon. So when you will start reading this book is full of the journey of Lieutenant General KJS Dhillon, and he has started this book with his childhood, and he has explained about all his operations and how did he make his journey to NDA and how his journey was. If you guys truly want to know about him, then you can grab this book. The website name is Padhega India, and whenever there is offer, you will get this book at 350.